In this video, we learn about how to use plot type option in RStudio. Because plot function in R will plot individual points. By default, plot function will draw only individual points. But sometimes we need to connect each coordinates. And we can do this with the help of argument type. So, how to use this type function in RStudio we learn here. Suppose x is a vector. Get command. Here start vector 2, 4, 6. Enter. Another variable is y. Get command. Start vector with c. Plot x, shift y, write both of your variables. So this is plot command. If I press here enter, here is plot, and by default there are the points. So you can simply generate plots by using plot command, and you got only points. But if you need here lines, so you require to use plot type. So I write here plot x, y, type, here type B, enter. As you can see here line is appear. When you use type inverted comma B, both point and lines are shown. As you see here is point, but there is little bit gap and line, and there is also gap and line. If you want to overlap point and line, then how we got this? Plot x, shift y, type. Here you can see line and points are overlap. Line also cut the point and goes. If you want this type of graph, then use type O. Plot type N, enter. As you know, everything is vanish. When you use N, there is no line and no points on graph paper. Plot if you use here P, then you got here points. But as you know, points are the by default setting. So the most important types are B and O. That these are the types, and you can use according to your requirement. This is called plot type or argument type. If you want to see videos about how to use log and anti-log in RStudio, what is correlation in R, what is integer data in R, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.